Up next, we have something a little different. A compliment battle. Rothor versus Yogic. Rothor brings a more poetic approach, while Yogic relies more on punchlines and witty compliments. And for once, the objective isn't to destroy your opponent, it is to make them feel good. So let's see who can compliment better, who can sneak in the better punches, and who can keep it from sounding like a little date. Rothor versus Yogic. This is hashtag BBQ1.
That's the first conversation.
Have the coin toss real quick.
Yeah, let's go. Rothor, please. Yeah. Heads. Heads. I'll go.
Alright, so Rothor won the coin toss and he chooses to go first. Are you ready?
Yeah. All right. Yo, Geek. You know what everyone in this room except me loves about you? It's your dick. Okay. Wait. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರ ಇದೊಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಡಾಕ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಜೀನಿಯಸಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಲೋಫರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಪಾಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ರೋಡ್ ಸರ್, ಆಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಗೋಟ್ಗಳು, ರೈಟ್? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಅಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಓವರ್ಸ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯೋಗಿಕ್ ಅಸಂಭವವನ್ನು ಸಂಭವ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈಜಿಪುರ ಫ್ಲೈ ಓವರ್. ಓಕೆ. ದ್ರೋಣ ಕೇಳಿದ ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು, ಯೋಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಹಿಡಿ ಕೈ, ರೈಟ್? ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದರೆ ಯೋಗಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಕೈ. ಬ್ರೋ, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಕಾಸು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫೋನೇ ಕೆಟ್ಟಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಹಿಡಿ ಬೈ. Bro, I thought you'll say no. But you know what else happened when Yogic said no? Diddy cried. Okay, listen. No, I don't have time. But listen. Okay, don't make me forget. Okay, next. Right, he's also a dance teacher, right? Education system leak ಮಾಡಿದ papers. Your system leak ಮಾಡಿದ breakers. Right? ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲಿಟಿಗೇಷನ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಯೋಗಿಕ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿನೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ರೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್. Last punch up, bro. I have so much more. Okay. You all ride the waves. He moves the water. Right? You read the books. He read the author. You want some magic? He's Harry Potter. Bro, this guy is so good at everything. He makes me feel like Carter. Where's the camera? Sorry, Carter. Okay, wait. But really, like, who am I to judge that guy, man? In my last battle, I forgot my bars and I went into sorrow. And who the fuck told you that I can win a battle against a man who even remembers tomorrow? Check this out. Yogic once went for a swim. Bro, Yogic, you remember tomorrow, no? You only tell who will win.
That one is on Yogic.
Hold it down in the back, hold it down.
Hey, yo! Knock, knock!
Who's there?
Hey, yo! Knock, knock!
Who's there?
It's Rothor spitting! Everyone! Rock! Woo! You know what rock means, right? Well, it's a body movement moving back and forth to the rhythm. So when I say Rothor spitting, everyone rock! Yeah. Kushal Singh Rathod. Kushal. Skillful and hardcore. Covered Anjuna to Cancun. There is a say, okay? Support your local artist. I'm from Goa, bro. There everyone asks, Mother Chod, tu hai kon? I only know Rothor. Hey, at BBQ1, yeah, they scream the floor is lava. They scream the floor is lava. This man treats it like a heated flooring. Look at the molten iron pouring. Hey, yo,
All these whack-ass rappers shouting, where is the tool? Like they got him in a stammer. Bro, check out his title. Thor never shows up without his hammer. Yeah. So. I forgot my next.
It's fine, man. My hammer is far away. You can.
Let's go. Yeah. They laughed. They laughed when he tried. This is not a regular guy killing time 9 to 5. Hip hop is in his bloodline since 95. Now all you fuckers, when Roth was spitting on the mic, I hear only big men doing baby cry. Time.
Beautiful.
Alright, round 2. It's on Rathor, 2 minutes. Let's go.
All right. Let's do Hindi. Okay. Round 2 होगा tight बहुत. I'm here to win the battle. लेकिन आगे मेरे life coach. Bro, what's his name? भोसड़ी के योगिक नहीं, योगिक भाई बोल. भाई नहीं सर बोल. चेतना का उच्च स्तर बोल. ममता का घर बोल. ज्ञान का शिखर बोल. सत्य का स्वर बोल. अरे योगिक तो खुशी खुशी जान भी दे देगा, बस तू यार या जिगर बोल. बट यहाँ पे एक बंदा है who pissed Yogic off. Our moderator 1am. He said Yogic is the worst rapper he's ever seen. I'm like, bro, 1am. Anant, now look at me. So, bro, you coming? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Listen. Shh. Okay, bro, you ranked that paper before learning the chapter. That's backwards. You missed every reference, then said Yogic is not a rapper. That shit is madness. Bro, you missed. His metaphor game is way beyond your comprehension. You could never catch it. You didn't expose that Yogic is average. You just exposed that you are way below the average. Bro, sorry bro, I just had it. Nothing personal, okay? Don't diss me tomorrow. Okay, let's talk something serious, right? Okay, something serious. 1.5 and Cypher Clan. 1.5 and Cypher Clan. That's a pointless divide. We've been fighting each other for years, but our vision still aligns, right? That's when real leaders like Yogic never pick a side in the fight. They just pick both sides of the spectrum, get them together, and give them a real reason to reunite. You talk about who's the best. Let me end that discussion. I'm about to bring all your assumptions to a ground-shattering destruction, right? When I say the man, you all say the myth, and we all say the legend. Can we do that? When I say the man, you all say the myth, we all say the legend, and that's not just Yogic's nickname, that's the whole world's perception. Thank you so much.
Time. Final round on Yogic. 2 minutes. Let's go.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪದಗಳ ನಿರರ್ಗಳವಾಗಿ ಗಳಗಳ ನುಂಗಿ ನುಡಿಯುವ ನನಗೀಗ ನಡುಕ ಹುಟ್ಟಿತಂತೇಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಂತಹ ಪದ ಮಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜಗ್ಗದ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಗೆಳೆಯ ನಿನ್ನ ಗುಣಗಾನ, ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಗೆಳೆಯ ನಿನ್ನ ಗುಣಗಾನ, ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬಲ್ಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ. ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಅನ್ಯ ಕಲಾಕಾರರು ಮೌನ, ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಅನ್ಯ ಕಲಾಕಾರರು ಕೂಡ ಮೌನ. ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಳಿತಾಗ ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಧ್ಯಾನ. ಡೌಟಾ ಗುರು? ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾಗುರು ಅಡ್ಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಹತ್ತಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಪಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ. ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೈಕ್ ಹನುಮಾನ, ಬೇಡ ಅನುಮಾನ, ಎದೆ ಸೀಳಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಲೈಕ್ ನೋಡು ನೀನೇ ಪ್ರಭು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ. ಏ ಯೋ ತಿಲಕ್ ನನ್ನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಹೆಸರು. ತಿಲಕ್ ನನ್ನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಹೆಸರು, ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಣೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ನಿನ್ನದೇ ನಾಮ. ತಗೋ ಡ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ತಗೋ ಡ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಹೊಡಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಕಿಕ್. ಹೊಡಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಕಿಕ್. ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಕ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಥೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನ್ ವರ್ಸ್ ಕಿಲ್. ಇವನ ರೈಮ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಾಮ ಬಾಣ ಬಿಲ್. ಮಚ್ಚ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಲ್. ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಿಲ್ ಬಿಲ್. ಯುದ್ಧಕಾಂಡದಲ್ಲಷ್ಟೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಇವನ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೋಮಿಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನೆ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಚಿಲ್. ಏ ಯೋ
Yo.
ರಾಥೋರ್. ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರಗಳು.
ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರಗಳು.
ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ. ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರಗಳು.
ಸರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪ ದ ನಿ ಸ.
ಏಯ್ ರಾಥೋರ್ ಸ್ಪಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸರಿ ಪದ ಗಮನಿಸ.
Let's go.
Oh, that's time.
Let's go.
That's time.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು.
Last one.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು.
Last one. Let's do it.
ರಾಥೋರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಸರಿ ಮಗ. ಅವನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಮಗ. ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಮುಗೀತೀಗ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸರಿ ಮಗ.
Yeah, let's go.
Yo, can we make some noise for both of these guys? Come on.